Is your LG portable air conditioner running but not blowing cold air? This frustrating problem usually has simple solutions. Let's identify the most common causes. First, verify your AC settings. Ensure it's set to cool mode and the temperature is set lower than your current room temperature. This simple check solves many cooling issues. The most common culprit is a dirty air filter. LG recommends cleaning your filter every 2 weeks during regular use. Clogged filters restrict airflow and dramatically reduce cooling efficiency. Exhaust hose problems are another frequent issue. Ensure the hose is properly connected, free of blockages, and doesn't exceed 5 feet in length. A kinked or blocked hose prevents hot air from escaping. An undersized air conditioner for your room is another common cause. Check if your unit's BTU rating matches your room size. An undersized unit will run continuously, but never reach the desired temperature. Finally, check for blocked air vents. Furniture, curtains, or other objects blocking the intake or output vents will severely impact cooling performance. Ensure clear airflow around your unit. These 5 common causes account for most cooling problems with LG portable air conditioners. Addressing these basic issues can often restore proper cooling without needing professional service. When basic troubleshooting doesn't solve your cooling issues, it's time for advanced diagnostics. Let's examine the key problems that require deeper investigation. Ice buildup on your evaporator coils is a serious warning sign. This frozen coating blocks airflow and indicates potential refrigerant problems that require professional attention. Understanding your air conditioner's refrigerant system helps identify problems. The refrigerant circulates through the compressor, condenser, and evaporator to remove heat from your room. Unusual noises like grinding, clicking, or rattling often indicate compressor problems. These mechanical issues require immediate professional diagnosis to prevent complete system failure. Temperature matters significantly for AC performance. LG portable units work best below 95 degrees Fahrenheit. Above this temperature, cooling efficiency drops dramatically. Regular maintenance prevents most cooling problems. Following a simple schedule keeps your AC running efficiently and extends its lifespan significantly. Clean your air filter every 2 weeks during regular use. A dirty filter restricts airflow and forces your AC to work harder, reducing cooling efficiency. Empty the water tank weekly to prevent automatic shutdowns. Most portable ACs collect condensation that must be drained regularly for continuous operation. Keep the exhaust hose clear and properly connected. A blocked or kinked hose prevents hot air from escaping, causing your AC to recirculate warm air instead of cooling. For seasonal storage, run your AC in fan-only mode for 8 to 12 hours before storing. This dries internal components and prevents mold growth during storage periods. Know when to call professionals. Refrigerant leaks, compressor failures, and electrical problems require certified technicians. Attempting these repairs yourself risks safety and voids your warranty.